Hey everybody, today we are going to learn how to make beef sambusa from Uganda. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. What do we need? We need beef. Okay, get your beef, cut it into small pieces, and when it is soft, if you have a machine, it's better you use a machine. Get your onions, cut them into small pieces as you want. Get garlic, ginger, green pepper, cut them together, okay, into small pieces. Get your carrots, cut them properly, okay, mix them together. We are gonna mix them with beef and we fry them, okay, up to when it's ready. Okay, mix your recipes. Here it is simple for beginners. It is very simple procedure, no logic. Okay, so as you can see, my beef, it looks good. This one is flour for the pepper sheets of sambusa. Afterwards, get hot water, put salt and oil, okay, warm water, okay, put your flour and start making. Okay, it's very easy, no logic here, simple work only. Okay, yeah, I want everybody to learn. Okay, as you can see, mine, start making properly. I use my hands because I trust my hygiene. Okay, I wash my hands properly and I make with my hands, no gloves here. Okay, yeah, make properly, start making. As you can see, mine, make it up to when it's not sticky on your hands. Okay, you see, it's giving. Yeah, it's good, yeah. Make your beef sambusa with your family. It's really good. Yeah. As you can see, guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Okay, support Jamira Wonders by subscribing. Afterwards, make them like chapati, small balls. Make like you're going to make chapati. We are making sheets for sambusa, okay, or pepper sheets for sambusa. Okay, make them first, make one, put it aside, and then make another like you're making chapati. Afterwards, put some oil on top and some flour. Okay, and afterwards, okay, we're gonna put it on top. Okay, afterwards, start pushing. Yeah, and afterwards you fry it, okay, on the frying pan without oil. Okay, push. Yeah, you can make yours better. Okay, here you just get some skills, yeah, and then you can make yours better. Yeah, as you see, simple, very simple. It's not difficult. Fry it, don't put oil. Okay, just frying it. Tuochako katono. You see, I'm going to use Luganda in English, okay? I'm not a Muzungo. Okay, so those are peppers. That's how I made mine, okay? And I cut. I don't want this part, so you can also cut it, okay? I like it when it's like that. You see mine? It's really good. You see? It's giving. And afterwards, yeah, start making. Yeah, see? It's very simple, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Jamira Wonders. Oh, it was really good. I ate my sambusa with my family and we enjoyed. Happy Ramadan. Okay, see, it's really good with your family. Beef sambusa, my best. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.